10 lines on Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated on 14 April every year as a birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 in Mahav, located in Madhya Pradesh, India. He is popularly known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was the first law minister of independent India. He is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He worked for equality of all Indians. He was extremely against the caste discrimination. He adopted Buddhism in Nagpur on 14 October 1956. He died due to illness on 6 December 1956. He was honored with the Bharat Ratna Award on 31st March 1990.